be here, which we are quite delighted by. And while we're here, we want to show value to our membership as well as the community themselves. This has been our mission since the consortium started, and this is the way we will continue. Just a quick bit about the consortium. We have 4 tiers that go anywhere from $10,000 to $150,000 premier membership with $10 to $300 of support. You can use those hours for anything you want. You can use them for training, you can use them for future development, you can use them for proof of concept. And additional hours are available if you need to extend that contract in order to complete whatever great things it is we're working on. If you are not interested or you cannot be a member due to whatever legal requirements that you have, we have various other contracts available. And that is the end of our pitch. So the development team, things have not changed considerably since Dan's departure. We still have Terrell, Antoine, Ben, and Zoe on our core development team. Cesar, behind me here, our UI UX developer. Justin, our application engineer, and one other new hire that we hope to extend the application engineering team in order to help support our membership as well as the community. And we have, more importantly, Don and Bonnie supporting the iRODS Consortium, and wherever I can fill in the blanks, we'll see what we can do about that. And once everything settles down, either a new executive director, and or chief technologist will be appointed depending on how things go with the board of directors meeting as well as the future of the consortium. We are up to 16 members now, which is quite exciting to us. I think this is a great picture. We still have a little bit of room on there, but we're going to work on that. And we have welcomed 5 new members to our consortium as of this year, after paperwork has all settled down. So this is, I think this is moving in the right direction. Annual RENCI support. This, after having gotten a hold of the budget numbers and walked through all of this, this part actually excited me quite a bit. So when we got the consortium off the ground, it was primarily a RENCI effort, which everybody knew. And once we brought Dan on board and started actually working on engaging the community and engaging the existing membership, we have started to bring that amount of supplement down. So we are down to 38% this year, which I was quite delighted by. And with some very modest projections, I think we'll reach about 25% at the end of FY17. And I think that number will continue to go down. So growing the community, as I said, we have 5 new consortium members. And this is a very difficult metric to measure. We've been mining the internet, web traffic, and everything else, trying to determine exactly how the landscapes have shifted. We have 113 new members on iRODS chat. We have 199 new Twitter followers, and Stephanie tells me that's very important. We have done various proofs of concept with the membership, so this is the part that I'm most excited by because we're actively out there engaging the membership, helping them use iRODS, helping new users use iRODS, and also discovering new ways that we can actually improve iRODS in that relationship. And I think that's really why we're all here. And we are going to work harder this year to expand our engagement to new conferences, putting on more workshops, and getting out there and just helping people know about this thing and use this thing. So in the next year, we're going to do all the things we said we're going to do. We're going to continue to write good software. We have delayed the 4.2 release so we can make sure that it's hardened and something people can use and we can focus on documentation because we have a lot of great things to tell you about. 4.3 will follow that, and you'll hear about that from Terrell on Thursday. And we're expanding the community. So as I said, we're going to put on these workshops, and we're certainly going to look to you to help get the word out about those workshops. We're going to continue working on existing proofs of concept. So we already have some existing engagements right now we're going to finish, and we're going to work to also take those proofs of concept into reference implementation. So we have a lot of really good patterns that are evolving out there in the community, and we really need to document those in order to help communicate. And we're also going to work more on working the case studies that play right into those proofs of concept and those reference implementations. Life sciences, genomics specifically, and anything else that you are certainly welcome to tell us about, which is why we are here. Stakeholder value. We're working more one-on-one, specifically technically with our stakeholders, with our membership. I want to engage one-on-one with every one of our members and tailor that experience, because I think that's important. iRODS is very flexible, and each use case and each deployment is its own sort of creature, and we need to engage at that level. We're going to improve training, which is why we're going to be going to these workshops, and we'll be happy to discuss having a workshop on site with any one of our members or at a other community site. Proof of concept I've already talked about, and co-marketing and sales. I want to reach out to the membership and help engage them with their customers that are interested in using iRODS and help that channel of communication. Because I think that's the most difficult thing that we have with this product is communicating its value across all the different dimensions in which it is useful. And with that, I'm going to stop talking for the rest of the user group meeting. So are there any questions?
You've got 25 more minutes.
I'm sorry. Oh, well, you know, no one wants to listen to me talk. Seriously, are there any questions, anything about the consortium we can help you with? This is my favorite part, so yeah.
You can leave now.
Good morning.
As a consortium member, you mentioned that you have hours.
Consortium hours, yes.
Yeah, is there any balance sheet that I can check how many hours are left?
How many hours you have left?
Yeah.
They're all gone. No, we send out statements. Yes.
We keep records of how many hours are logged to each member during the month. And so if you want to know how many hours we've spent and what we've spent, we can tell you that.
Thank you.
And I'll send you that.